Appreciate it. Only half. Only half. Only half. Only half. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Appreciate it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ah, no! All right, y'all. Today we're gonna be playing Dark Deception. So basically, I looked on YouTube for like some free horror games. This was like in one of the top 15, so I figured I'd check it out. We're supposed to be like running. I looked at the description. We can't kill him or nothing, and we can't hide. It just said we just got to be able to straight up run. So I figured I'll go ahead and check it out. Hey, let's get into it. It's done. Now, my faith lies in darkness. Am I saying that? No, whoever that is F. Fierce?
Oh, another one. How nice to have some company again.
Okay.
Come over here. Let's have a look at you.
Yes, ma'am.
You disappoint me, love. You really do.
Well, you too.
So many fears. So many desires. I thought you'd be bigger.
What?
What?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I know everything
Nah,
you've
nah,
got
I am.
hidden in that brain of yours. I know all the terrible things you've done. So many good intentions laid to waste. I could see the regret eating away at your soul.
Okay. Okay, understood.
But now your time has come, and here you are, to grovel and beg.
I don't know about all
You
that.
can't go back. Only death awaits you there now.
Okay.
Fear not, love. You've got potential. I see it in you. And I can help change your fate. But if you want a new life, you're going to have to suffer quite a bit to get it.
That sucks, but I appreciate it. Fierce's ballroom.
The pieces to a powerful ring are hidden in nightmares behind each of these portals. Find them and bring them to me, and you'll get your wish.
Yes, ma'am.
Fail, and you'll find there are fates far worse than death awaiting you here.
Okay. Step 1. Alright, y'all, real quick, let me check to see, because I got the quality high, that the OBS Studio not lagging while I move or whatever. Alright.
Clock's ticking.
Yes, ma'am. Come on, come on, come on. Monkey business.
What a charming.
I think it's kind of
little
comedic
town. Bring back any memories?
for me to be getting scared. Right this way, sir. They said, okay. I'm going, I'm going. Damn! Ooh. Okay, okay. My bad. I guess we're waiting. We're going. We're going up and down.
Going up?
On a Tuesday. No, I'm playing. I'm playing. I'm playing. I know that song goes, man. Y'all don't get me. Screen just black out.
Now listen closely. See those floating bits of crystal?
Yeah.
Those are soul shards. Fragments of human spirit scattered throughout the halls of this little maze.
Okay.
Each crystal is a remnant of one who has met their end here. Gather them all, and the first ring piece will be yours.
Easy peasy,
One
lemon
more
squeezy.
thing. You're not alone. There are monsters in here, and they're looking for you.
Yeah, I already
Here,
seen
you
one.
need this. It can detect each shard's location. It was left by the last guest to disappoint me here. A very clever girl.
Okay, so it's smart for me to go this way.
Fast runner. Enough instruction. Break those boards and let's get this party started.
Break them. Alright, come on. Damn! Okay.
Here it comes.
Ooh! What? No! What is you doing? Come on, y'all. Come on. Let's do this. One go, one go, one go, one go. We like that. 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 Come on, y'all. Ow, what? Oh, okay, okay. We like that. We like that. Come on, y'all. Come on, this should be easy. This should be easy. Come on, come on, come on. Damn, damn. Come on, y'all. Come on, come on. Ah, I think I messed up. I'm so glad he's stunned. Okay, okay. Man. What? How many is it? Alright, here they come, here they come, here they come. I should have got. Go, 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 go. Go! Go, 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 go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This way, this way, this way. Alright.
You've gathered half of the shard. I'm impressed.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Appreciate it. Only half. Only half. Only half. Only half. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Appreciate it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah, no!
It helps if you don't let them stab you in the face.
Oh, no shit, Sherlock. All right. We got 2 more lives. We didn't do half bad. Come on, y'all. Come on, come on, come on. Yep, 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 yep. I hear you, I hear you. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Come on, come on. Dang, that's loud, that's loud. That is loud. Whoa, come on, don't run into the wall. You do not have the... Dang it! Speed, speed. I am speed, I am speed!
Dead already? That's okay.
Y'all, this is the last one. We got this. We got this. Come on, we got this. Professionals. That's what we are. We are professionals. Okay. Come on. Bro, why is it? Okay, okay, so the number is going down. Man, that is a lot. Like, I'll give it to him. This is hard. Oh, no! Damn!
You are dead.
Last checkpoint. Yes. Yes. I don't care. Are they gonna count it? I don't know if they're gonna count it. I hope they do. There you go. There you go. I hear him. I hear him. Sound. Yep. 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 Okay, so I can read the map a little better now. Skill has gone up. Darn it! I know. I see him. Well, I hear him. Ooh. What are you talking about? Alright. Ah, I left that one lone one. No, we're going back for that. I'm running into the wall. I can't be doing that. What? Some of these doors can open? Well, I know you can't hide. That's the one. We're not going that way. Oh my goodness. Oh, I know. Be smart. We got 26 left. Come on. Come on. Dang. It wouldn't do that. It would. Okay. No freaking way. Yes, freaking way. It's right there. We're gonna go around and peek back over because of it. Man. I gotta lay my eyes on him. Dang it! No. Come on. Yeah. I see him. Calm down. You. Come here, boy. No!
That's what you get for monkeying around with murder monkeys.
There was like 4 of them. What in the? Where am I at? I hear him. Map need to be slightly bigger. Okay. Cause it was like freaking a bunch of them. Yeah. So. Come on. Juke him. Dude. We're going back. That's it. Only 4. Let me get those. Darn it. Let me get those. Yeah, I know. Alright. See now, this smug got some stamina. Whoever this is got some stamina. That lady talking about couldn't run. Man, come on. Maybe they getting the extra speed boost because they run in the hallway. But I shouldn't have to go through all this just to get 4 shards, man. Come on. What do you mean? Yeah, well, no duh. No duh. I know where they at.
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece
There we go.
is now exposed, and the monsters will go into it.
Oh, okay.
The ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you.
Dang, he fast. I hear him. Get back to the altar. I'm here. Come on. Damn! No, for real! No! What the?
You're making it pretty easy to root for the monkeys.
Nah, we're not having that. We're not having this.
The ring piece
Dang,
is
bro.
now
If a level 1 this hard,
and the monsters
level 1,
will
right?
go into your
Maybe it's just because I don't like. Nah, I don't got nothing against monkey. Lock in, lock in, lock in. We locked in, we locked in. Yes!
He's got you! Run!
Who dares?
Shoot, he knows you're here now. You need to escape. Get to the portal. Hurry!
We at the portal, we good. Whew. I need them music. Yo, it took me so long to beat that. I don't even know if y'all will be willing for me to continue or to end it right here. Cause I kind of don't want to cut stuff out. It was pretty good.
Run! Run!
Oh, I am. I wasn't. I'm not even looking back. I learned my lesson about looking back. Yeah. I'm not looking back. Nah, I gotta look. Never mind. I was about to until he popped up on my left side. What?
Good. You made it. And I see you met my friend sooner than I was expecting.
Yeah, me too.
Fierce. Still so persistent after all this time. Do not listen to her, mortal. She's just using you. Give her the ring, and there will be consequences.
Okay.
This is your only warning.
I feel you.
Help her, and you will suffer.
I don't know, man. You had demonistic monkeys trying to kill me.
Pay
No, they did
attention to
kill
him.
me.
His
Realistically.
powers cannot reach
Several
you.
times.
The ring piece. Place it on the table. Now! It's been so long. The ring is called the Riddle of Heaven. An ironic name, don't you think? A demon's power is contained inside it. The creature of infinite cruelty that you just met.
Okay.
Complete the ring, and you can use Malak's power to fulfill your darkest desires. Or so the legend goes.
Okay.
Eight more pieces to go. Are you ready for another nightmare?
10-4. Alright, y'all. So apparently, right, the first stage was free and the second one wasn't. Luckily, it was like extremely cheap and it was worth doing it. So if this video do semi-decent, I'm willing to buy all of them and do them. But for now, we're just gonna demo test it off these two.
Malak has blocked the entrance. I don't think he likes you very much. You'll need inhuman speed to get past that barrier. Good thing I'm here to help, huh?
Okay.
Go to the ring altar. I can unlock the power to boost your speed for brief periods of time.
All right. All right.
Use it wisely, and don't thank me. We'll work that out later.
All right. Okay. Come on. Let's go. Oh, that's tough. Elementary evil, whichever one y'all prefer.
Don't you ever miss your school days? After all, another barrier. You know what to do.
Okay. Welcome. Sally Longarms. Come on.
getting a new student here soon.
Okay, hold on.
For ya. It's really nice to have someone new to play with. Don't tell the others. But
You're not playing with me.
lately. But you'll spice things up around here.
Yeah,
won't
they
you?
might be boring because they probably did.
Everything with me. All your secrets, all your mistakes, all your pain.
No, I'm good on that
That's
last
what
one.
best friends are for, right?
I never said you was my best friend.
Looks like school is back in session.
Pull that tablet back out. That's what I want. Gosh. There we go. And I accidentally wasted one of my speed boosts. Ah, I gotta wait on it to rebuild. Okay, okay. Give me a sec. Alright, let's go.
Ready or not, here I come.
Yes, ma'am. Please no. Please no. I wonder how fast this mug is. Like, okay, so we're gonna save that one.
Bet you're over here.
An unmarked grave. It must be her.
How fast is she? I'm kind of wondering because all right, we doing good. We doing good.
Let's play.
Nah, I'm good. Come on. Yeah. Damn. Oh, is that me? Yeah, that's me. That's me. Oh, we like that. We are like that. I probably should have saved that, but it's all good. It's all good. We're saving that. We're saving that. Come on.
What's the matter?
Nope. Come on. Come on. I can't go. I can't go. Darn it. Oh, that is going to get me killed. But that's tough. You can actually close the doors behind you. I need to say that. Where could this little girl be, huh? We're gonna figure out what she had for the last 100 or so. Just go, just go. Nothing else matters as long as you keep moving. Oh no!
Girls just want to have fun. Killing you.
I fucked up. I did. I saw her and my reaction time. It just wasn't there, you know.
Ready or not, here I come.
Yeah. Come on. Oh, I hear her. Shit. Open the fucking door, man. Come on, man.
There it is. The ring altar will always be found in the heart of each nightmare.
There she go, there she go. No, you didn't, no, you didn't, no, you didn't. Ooh. No!
I haven't laughed that hard since I was a little girl.
You're too damn fast. Okay. We are not going that way.
Ready or not, here I come.
I heard us spawn in.
Such a big
Nah, I'm gonna be a baby.
bet you're over here.
That's all of the shards here. But it's only half.
Yeah.
The ring barrier is still active. There must be more in another part of the school. Hurry and find the next zone.
10-4.
There it is. The ring altar will always be found at the heart of each nightmare.
What's up, my boy? I see you. Kind of curious as to where he's going. Alright, alright.
Aw, you took all my friends. Well, it's been a while since I got to play with anyone this long. But I can't play around with you anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I'll show you what I can really do.
What do you mean by that?
Aw,
Man, no, y'all. No, y'all.
like what I've done with the place?
How creative. It's her victims. The school has become her dollhouse.
Oh my goodness.
Ready or not, here I come.
Just give me a few seconds. Just give me a few seconds.
I
Just
won't bite you.
go, go, go. Nothing else matters. Just go. Come on. Alright, good, good. We looking good. Bro, this game had like a sound, or like it can follow your sound and hear you. GG's. I'm running into the wall. What is going on?
I can hear you breathing.
Ooh, I just said something about hearing me too. And that's nice. Being able to. I can't see her no more. Oh, she changed the location. Okay. You're cheating, you're cheating, you're cheating. You're cheating! She cheated!
Tag, you're dead.
Everybody don't got instant transmission like her.
Ready or not, here I come.
Hey, we looking good, y'all. Oh. Yeah, come on, come on. I can already tell this is gonna be a long gameplay because no one near you. Come on. I know like once we get to that sub 20, ooh. Go. Just go, just go, just go, just go, just go. Yes, I am actually. What? This little bitch.
You are dead.
She can hear the boost. To be fair, a challenge with this game would be like trying to do a run without dying.
Here I come.
Like trying to do all the runs without dying. I don't know what to think right now. Come on, come on. Yes, we looking good. Damn!
Don't be scared. Agatha just likes to play a little rough.
Please stop. Please stop. Ain't nothing funny. You should really do this yourself.
Ready or not, here I come.
This is all a goddamn joke to her. All right, what we got? What we
That's
got?
the last of the shards.
Yep.
Now get to the ring piece before Agatha gets you.
Never get the ring. I won't let you.
I'm gonna get it today.
This is
You're. Oh, wait. I know the map, so that wasn't happening. All right, come on. We good. We good. We good.
I welcome you here, and I tried so hard to be nice to you, but you don't care. You don't want to be my friend. You just want to.
I definitely do not.
You're a mean, bad person.
Whatever.
You made Daddy mad too.
End of the road, mortal. Give that back to me,
I'm out of here.
and I'll make more damage quick.
move faster. Malak's here.
Try to run. Do good.
Whatever. Got fucked up. Damn!
I haven't laughed that hard since I was a little girl.
How was that funny?
Give that back to me. Hand it over, and I'll make your death.
Just go,
Move
just
faster.
go. I am
Malak's here.
Try to
that little bitch. I'm wondering, what are these portals for? Go, 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 go. Oh, we made it, we made it, we made it. Oh, 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 oh.
You'll never escape. I won't let you take my friend.
Just let me go home, just let me go home. Come on. Don't do this. Damn!
Tag, you're dead.
What? Was I supposed to just run from her in the room? Okay. Once again. Damn. Come on. She ain't got nothing on me. She ain't got nothing on me. Come on. Come on. little ass be gone, boy. Each corner, each corner, each corner. We gotta eat them corners up, y'all. Dang. Come on, y'all. Come on. Come on, y'all. Root for me. As long as she don't pull that. She blocked off the corners, which sucks for me, I think. Yep, come on. Yeah, there we go. Come on. Bam. Come on. Yeah. Okay. We got it. Oh, we got it. Man, fuck you. I'm out of here. Thank God. She was almost the same age. Memories betray me. Yeah. I need to keep going. I just need to survive a bit longer.
Two down, 7 more to go. Want to try for another?
Nope, that'll be enough for me for today. Don't get me wrong. Sound nice, but... Alright, well I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. And if you did like it and you want me to do another one, just leave a few comments and let me know. And alright then, y'all, peace.